You excited?
I'm afraid. I don't know, it looks like a big potato.
Okay. What's up, Katie Baz, and welcome back to the channel this week. My name is Priscilla. I'm a Nigerian women's wear designer based in the UK. In this video, I'm going to be doing something special with somebody special. We're going to be doing some tie-dye, and Hobby is going to be joining me today. You guys need to let me know, just me, don't let George know. Let me know in the comment section down below whose design or whose tie-dye turned out better. Make sure to leave the comments, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and let's get into this. Oh, I know George is going to get so competitive. I know for a fact, but I would emerge on top. Let's get into this video. Well, this is George. George is here.
You don't even want to wait for me to actually get settled. Alright. Go on.
Are you excited?
Yeah, you're not introducing me? Oh, God.
Sorry. Okay, for those of you that don't know, I don't know why you don't know, but this is my my husband, because we have done.
Wait, that took way too long.
Wait, no, like because some people don't understand why I call you my husband when we're not legally married. That's what I was about to explain.
Oh,
so
right.
we are traditionally married in Nigeria, but we're not yet, like, you know, the legal church wedding. So this is my husband slash fiance.
The marriage is basically done.
Slash Instagram husband George is going to be joining me in today's video. Are you excited?
Hell yeah, I wanna make some colors pop.
Okay. So we're going to be doing tie-dye today. I have all the materials ready. We have 16 different colors of dyes. There's purple, because I know you like purple.
I know.
I have some glove, elastic, an instruction manual. Basically what I did was I just got a tie-dye kit from Amazon. I'm going to link it down below for anyone who wants to check it out. Then I got some plain items, so like a plain t-shirt, plain I'm gonna edit this video soon. Plain tracksuit bottoms, and then a plain tote bag. And we're just going to be having some fun today. Oh god, we're going to be having some fun today. So we're going to go off camera to add water to the dyes and make the pieces a little bit damp, because then it will make it easier for the dye to be absorbed into the fabric. Water to our different dyes. I think I filled it up like 70-80%. Added slightly more water to yours, but we have the different colors we've picked all filled up. It also comes with a manual. The kit I got on Amazon, it comes with a manual here that tells you what to do and different techniques of tie-dye to use if you don't have an idea. George had this bright idea of cutting shapes in cardboard paper that we could incorporate into our pieces however we wanted. I thought that was really cool. I think I will use some of your triangles, definitely. Maybe on my top, maybe on my toes, we'll see. You can start with anything.
Yeah, the tote bag. I think I'll also start with the tote bag.
The tote bag is like
it's
like
a good
simple
experiment. Like, you can just figure out how this thing works,
yeah,
and whether it does work.
I'm going to do bullseye, which is when you grab the middle.
I'm gonna do something. I have no idea. Need to figure it out as I go.
Okay.
Right. Guess I might as well start with these and see if it works.
I think I might steal some of your colors from mine. I'm trying to like evenly space my my tines. Like this. And then like that. And then we did this. And that. Yes! Got it! Woohoo! Nice. Okay.
The thing is, like, I can't see what comes out of this thing before I start with another one.
No.
So I have to, like...
You have to have faith.
Faith.
Yes! Why are you laughing? You gotta have faith! Here. Okay.
Probably something like...
I just praise the elastics for being strong. Now they are breaking. Okay, so I'm done with my t-shirt.
Oh, there's like a few more.
So I want to do something with lines for my pants.
Go on, I won't use anymore.
I don't want to do horizontal stripes though. Horizontal stripes make me look fat. I think I want to do... I want to do vertical. So
It
maybe
makes
I'll...
me look fat.
Yeah, I don't know any woman that would be... I don't know. Maybe it's just all in my head. Is it like this? Yeah, is it like this? Okay. So I'll fold like that. And like this. This is a clear example of there's no wrong or right way to do it.
Yeah, you just kind of
Yeah,
do it.
you just do what
Especially
you...
if it's like the first time. Like,
Yeah.
how the hell are you supposed to know how it's going to come out?
It's a good activity to do though, because there's like no pressure to like have it come out perfect, because the more random it is, the more unique the design. So
Very true.
yeah, no pressure. Just like have fun with it. So you don't have to put the same color of dye. You can put like one color here, one color there, one color there.
I know.
But wait for me. Let's dye together.
Okay.
I mean, not dye together.
A few moments later.
So we're done tying everything.
Nice
This
to
is my tote.
This is my tote.
Look like weapons.
Leave my tote alone.
This is my t-shirt.
This is my t-shirt.
These are my pants.
These are my pants.
Wow. Yeah, yours looks like a big diamond.
It's a big triangle.
Yeah, big triangle. Okay. So we're gonna start applying the dye. You ready? Don't forget to shake the dye before using it.
Oh.
Cause it... looks like indigo blue. Oh well. Already put it in. Okay, so I want to start with the yellow as the center, so it's like the sun.
Oh, damn, that's not...
Whoa, that's like red. No, that's the period blood red. Well, you're a guy, so it doesn't matter for you.
Oh.
It does, it is all in your head, babe. So this is my top. I did one side yellow, one side blue, and one side red. What do you do on your top?
My top, I don't know, it looks like a big potato.
Okay, alright.
Okay. A random potato with random colors, I'm afraid.
Right. Last piece. Alright, so we're done tying and dyeing. We're going to put each item into these bags. I think you can use two for big things like this.
Right.
Or use like a...
It's not going to fit in the bag.
You can use an Ocado bag. I've seen that as well. You can just use any random plastic bag.
Just so it like stays somewhere.
So it stays somewhere and it keeps the dye in one place, and you need to do everything separate. I think the smaller things will fit. Is the pants that we might need to just get like...
Fit.
Give it to me! Why don't you pack the woman's bag before? There are ways to get things inside.
Bag.
Inside the bag.
Alright.
Okay, so we have bagged everything. We had to use a grocery bag for that one, and double bags for this one, and then we fit the other ones in each individual bag. We're going to leave them to sit overnight, and tomorrow we'll check in with you guys. You excited?
I'm afraid.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Alright, so it's been 24 hours, and according to the instructions, we are meant to take this out of our bag, remove the elastic or thread or whatever, and then rinse off the excess dye underwater. Big reveal.
The big review comes later.
Wow, that is cool. And put it in the washing machine for just easy, quick wash.
Tomorrow.
Well, we have washed and we have dried the items, and this is my outfit. This is what my top and my trouser looks like. George, would you like to show them yours?
This is a me.
You look like you just stepped out from the 90s. Like,
I am the
quite
90s.
literally. The pants are so big.
They're really big. I swear, it's like that's the style.
Yeah, they're like. But you do like your pants comfortable though, so you'll be able to wear them.
Yeah, it fits together. It kind of works over here.
That's what I was saying.
I'm not so sure about the pants.
I feel like it works as a cord set because they have the same like random sort of pattern on the top and the bottom, and it's the same colorways. But your tote bag actually turned out really nice.
I think the bag is really cool.
Your tote bag is like really.
It's because
really
it has shapes, and the shapes.
It
work
has like
really well.
lines, yeah.
The lines work super well, but I love yours though, like with the sun, like the
Yeah.
flower. It's more like a flower, isn't it?
I don't even know what that is, but I just like the fact that there's like yellow in the middle, and then it looks like the sun or a flower. Depends on how you look at it. Well, we have new grocery bags now for sure. Would you like to do one last catwalk with me? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video all the same. I actually really like my t-shirt and I love my tote bag. The pants I'm not very sure about the color payoff. I think I'll most likely wear the pants on their own, not together with the top. But not bad for like a first tie-dye after like plenty years. But let us know which piece, not necessarily which outfit, do you like George's t-shirt, his tote bag, his pants, my t-shirt, or my tote bag. Let us know in the comment section down below which tie-dye item you thought came out the best. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
This is the YouTube thing.
It's necessary, and subscribe. Oh gosh, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Coming.
So, according to the instruction manual, the first thing we need to do is to make the pieces damp or like semi-wet. Yeah, they need to be like semi-wet.
Need more damping than that?
Shall we do that? You don't need the gloves yet.
We're gonna need gloves.
Gosh, okay. I swear you're like a